Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Instagram photos directly to your camera roll. So every time you post a picture or use Instagram's camera, the image is automatically saved to your phone. Start by opening Instagram and going to your profile page. In the top right corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, scroll down and look for the section called Archiving and Downloading. Go ahead and tap it. Inside this menu, you'll see a couple of toggle options. Turn on Save Original Photos if you want Instagram to save the pictures you take with your phone's camera before posting. Then turn on Save Story to Camera Roll if you want your Instagram story posts to save automatically as well. Once these switches are turned on, Instagram will automatically save your photos and stories to your device's camera roll from now on. You don't have to manually download anything. Everything you post is saved for you. And that's it. Super quick, super easy, and now your photos are backed up on your phone even if you delete the Instagram app or lose access to your account. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.